Every rap song, the same shit. Money, women, kill somebody, go to jail, smoke some weed, worship materialism. Money, women, kill somebody, go to jail, smoke some weed, worship. I'm tired of hearing it.
From this culture, it's time to disassociate. My timetable can serve healthier plates. No more debates until I'm blue within the face. Selective anger is your excuse to stay irate. Walking the plank, quoting the word of saints. Made a splash cause that ass fell for the bait of hate. Again, and so will your next of kin. Until you become liable, all anger will be recycled. Caught in the cog, caught in the cog. Deja vu, the day of the groundhog. A common fog within the groupthink mobs. Blind with no sight like Klansmen and Hebrew Israelites. Racism is a schism and a prison. A man-made phase built to push global classism. The truth is what I give them. Keep your status. My validation is my rhythm, nigga.
In order for you to evolve, you also have to denounce your ape status. And a lot of our peers in the game haven't denounced that. They continue to talk about it in their music, and they continue to sort of show the rest of our young brothers and sisters a pathway of do whatever, whether it's illegal, whether it leads many of us to prison, whether it leads many of us to death, do whatever to get that money. And as my grandmama used to say, I'm sure your grandmama used to say it too, all money ain't good money.